How to naturally remove hair from your face. There are many natural ways to remove facial hair at home. Some of the most popular methods are: Step 1. Papaya-turmeric paste. This can weaken the hair follicles and reduce hair growth over time. To make it, mash a raw papaya with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and apply it to the unwanted hair for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and repeat 2 to 3 times weekly. Step 2. Egg white mask. This mask can peel off the hair from your face when it dries. To make it, whisk an egg white with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Spread it over the hair and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Then peel it off gently. Step 3. Oat paste. This paste can exfoliate your skin and remove the hair gently. To make it, blend 2 tablespoons of oats with 1 ripe banana and massage it onto the hair. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it off with water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for a few weeks. Step 4. Lavender and tea tree oil. This oil mixture can slow down hair growth by affecting hormone levels. To use it, mix 6 drops of tea tree oil with 1 teaspoon of lavender oil and dab it onto the hair with a cotton ball. Do this once a day for 3 months. You can also try other natural remedies, such as chickpea flour, sugar waxing, or lemon juice. However, keep in mind that these methods may not work for everyone and may cause some irritation or allergic reactions. Always do a patch test before applying anything to your face and moisturize your skin after the treatment. I hope this helps you find the best way to remove facial hair at home. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.